So in this video, I want to show you how you can actually create your custom tag library. So as you're creating a contact, as you're typing in that tag, it'll go ahead and auto-populate in there. Once you create a tag, it does live within your system. So for me, the best thing to do is to go in ahead of time, write down all of your tags. How do you want to organize your database? I find that if you just start going in and just putting in different tags, it's going to get very cluttered. So I'd actually suggest going ahead and writing down how you want to categorize your contacts in command. If you're using other CRMs, tags are very similar to groups or buckets. So in order to create your tag library, once you write them all down, what you're going to do is you're actually going to go up top here to your settings. So we're going to go to our name, we're going to drop down, we're going to go to settings. Over on the left-hand side, we're going to see these different drop downs here, and one of them says command settings. I'm able to click on command settings, come down a little bit, and you will see contacts. And there's another drop down. I can drop down and come down just a little bit, and you're going to see a section that says custom tags. Go ahead and click on custom tags. And when I come in here, you're going to see these are all of my custom tags. So right now, you can see at the very bottom here, it's showing me that I have actually 49 different tags, and I'm viewing 1 of 10. So if I'd like to see them all in one screen, I can change that just like on the contact screen, and I can scroll down and see all of my different tags. So it shows you your tag name once you create them, how many contacts are associated with that tag, and I am able to click on this and go to that screen of all 193 people. Now, once I create a tag, on the far right-hand side over here, you're going to see there's a pencil. So if I wanted to change the name of a tag, I could go ahead and change the name of a tag, as well as change the color of the tag. So what some people are doing is they're categorizing their database based on colors. It might be, where did you meet this person? And that tag all might be yellow. So it could be sphere, it could be church, it could be school. They're all going to be yellow, and that kind of categorizes where you met them. I've seen other people that say, hey, all of my sports teams are going to be purple, right? And I could do Ravens, and I could do Redskins, and I could do Orioles. And that way, when I know I see a purple tag, I know that's a sports team, and then I can look and see which one we're actually talking about. In addition to that, I also have the ability to delete a tag over here on the far right-hand side by clicking on this trash can. But be careful doing that. It will not delete out 193 contacts. It will simply remove that tag from all 193 of those people. And if you spent substantial time adding those tags to people, you just want to be careful with that. There are also some tags in here that you will see that say in system. And what that means is that KW has put these tags in our library. We do not have the ability to either edit or delete those tags. I think there's about 10 of them in here. And if you can see up top, right, there are going to be things like buyer, seller, bought, sold. Those are all in system tags. To create a new tag, we're going to go up here to the top right-hand corner and click on create new tag. Now, let's say I would like to categorize my database by, let's use the sports team analogy. And so I want to make sure that I have all of my, let's say, Boston Celtics fans categorized so I know who they are, right? So I go to Boston Celtics here. I have the ability to come down here and pick a color. So let's say it's going to be purple, and I can hit create, right? And now I should be able to come over here and I should be able to type in Boston Celtics. There's the tag I just created. It showed what day it was in, and now that tag is in my library. If I go back to contacts quickly, I will show you now. If I go to add a contact, this dialog screen is going to show up. One of the options down here is tags, and I now can start typing in Boston Celtics, and you'll see it right there. It now appears, and I can simply check on that, and I don't need to create a new tag. Now, you also have the ability to create a new tag inside the screen here. So let's say they're a Boston Celtics fan, and they're also a Boston Bruins fan. Right? As I start typing Boston Bruins, if that tag does not exist within my database, I do have the option right here to create the custom tag, pick the color, click add, and now Boston Bruins is also going to be in that tag library I just showed you. All right, so that's how you create custom tags. And then once they're here, again, I'm able to filter by tags. I even have the ability to simply click on the tag here, and it will filter and show me all the people that have that KW tag. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. That is how you create your tag library. Talk to you soon.